Do you often feel overwhelmed or anxious? You're not alone. Anxiety is a feeling experienced by most of us at some point in our lives. Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel, Anxiety Management. Let us know how to identify symptoms and take steps to combat sense of panic and dread. Anxiety is essentially a sense of worry or fear, which can range from being mild to severe. It could creep in due to various reasons. At times it could be something as simple as an upcoming exam, or it could be a result of an illness or a traumatic experience. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to anxiety. Each of us experiences it differently. Some might feel a rush of panic, while others might be consumed by a sense of dread. It's this unique nature of anxiety that makes it a challenge to pin down and manage. However, one thing is clear: managing anxiety is not a singular process. Depending on the person, a combination of techniques should be used to manage anxiety. Symptoms of anxiety. Anxiety can manifest in different ways, with both mental and emotional or physical symptoms. It's a shapeshifter, adapting itself to the host it inhabits, and thus it presents itself differently in everyone. However, there are certain common symptoms that can help us identify this elusive intruder. Let's start with the mental and emotional symptoms. These are often the first to appear, the harbingers of the storm. They include a constant sense of worry that seems to hover over your mind, an incessant fear that something bad is about to happen, and a nagging feeling of restlessness that you just can't shake off. You might find yourself plagued by racing thoughts that you can't seem to control, overthinking every little detail. You might also experience feelings of irritability, anger, or feel overwhelmed by the simplest of tasks. Self-doubt could creep into your mind, making you second-guess your every decision. Some people even report feeling a sense of numbness, as if they are detached from the world around them. Now, let's move on to the physical symptoms. These can sometimes be so severe that they mimic the symptoms of serious physical conditions, causing further anxiety. They include palpitations, where your heart seems to be pounding in your chest, and headaches that just don't go away. You might also experience nausea or breathlessness, and a tightness in the chest that makes it difficult to breathe. Some people report feeling a sense of acidity or indigestion, while others might break into a sweat or start trembling and shaking for no apparent reason. These physical symptoms can be terrifying, especially if you don't realize that they're being caused by anxiety. Remember, everyone experiences anxiety differently. You might not have all of these symptoms, or your symptoms might change over time. But if you find yourself experiencing any of these symptoms frequently and they're affecting your daily life, it's important to seek help. It's important to recognize these symptoms as signs of anxiety, because the first step towards managing anxiety is acknowledging its presence. And remember, you're not alone. Help is available, and it's okay to reach out. Managing anxiety. Managing anxiety should ideally involve a combination of techniques. Navigating through the stormy sea of anxiety may seem daunting, but by employing a few simple strategies, you can help ease the journey and steer towards calmer waters. Firstly, let's take a moment to talk about deep breathing. It's simple, it's natural, and best of all, it's something you can do anywhere, anytime. Techniques like 4-7-8 breathing, where you breathe in for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale for 8 seconds, can be incredibly effective. Just like the rhythmic ebb and flow of the ocean, this rhythmic breathing can help you find a sense of calm amidst the chaos. Next, let's explore grounding exercises. Imagine you're a tree with your roots firmly planted in the ground. The wind may blow, the storm may rage, but you stay grounded. The 5-4-3-2-1 technique is a great way to achieve this. You start by naming 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This exercise not only helps anchor you in the present moment, but also diverts your mind away from anxiety-inducing thoughts. Progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, is another beneficial technique. It's like giving your body a gentle massage, helping each muscle to relax and release the tension it's holding. Visualize a wave of relaxation flowing from your toes to your head, easing your stress and anxiety. Lastly, never underestimate the power of relaxation techniques. A warm bath, a good book, or some soothing aromatherapy can work wonders in calming your mind. It's like a mini vacation for your mind, a break from the constant buzz of worry and fear. Remember, these are not one-size-fits-all solutions. It's about finding what works best for you. It's about taking one step at a time, one breath at a time. And most importantly, it's about extending kindness and compassion towards yourself. These strategies can help you find a sense of calm and reduce anxiety symptoms. So take a deep breath, ground yourself, and remember, you're not alone in this journey. Healthy habits to reduce anxiety. In addition to these techniques, maintaining certain healthy habits can also reduce anxiety. One of the most important factors in managing stress is a healthy sleep routine. When we deprive ourselves of sleep, our bodies can react in ways that may increase feelings of anxiety. So try to establish a routine that allows for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Journaling can also be a great way to manage anxiety. Morning pages, where you write a few pages as soon as you wake up, or a brain dump, which involves venting out overwhelming thoughts on paper whenever needed, can help you process your thoughts and feelings. Another habit to consider is limiting stimulants like caffeine. Although a morning cup of coffee may seem like a necessity, caffeine is known to cause and increase anxiety, so try to cut back or switch to decaf. Eating a healthy diet also plays a role in managing anxiety. Consuming whole fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and limiting processed food and sugar can help maintain a balanced mood and keep anxiety at bay. Remember, it's okay to seek professional help. If you find that these techniques and habits are not helping, it's important to get evaluated by a mental health professional. They can provide further guidance and treatment options, like cognitive behavioral therapy, which is scientifically proven to improve one's capability of managing negative thought patterns. Lastly, medications can also be part of an effective anxiety management plan. Medications like benzodiazepines are used to reduce active anxiety symptoms, and selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors like escitalopram and sertraline are used for managing anxiety disorders. However, it's crucial to remember that medications should only be taken after consulting with a healthcare professional. Incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine can be an effective way to reduce anxiety. These habits can go a long way in managing stress and reducing anxiety. Conclusion: anxiety is a common experience, but it doesn't have to control your life. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points we've discussed about identifying and managing anxiety. Anxiety symptoms can manifest in a myriad of ways, from emotional turmoil, such as restlessness and a sense of impending doom, to physical discomfort like headaches, nausea, and trembling. It's important to remember that everyone experiences anxiety differently. Once we're able to identify these symptoms, we can then apply various techniques to manage our anxiety. Breathing exercises like the 4-7-8 and box breathing can help calm our minds and reduce the intensity of anxiety symptoms. Grounding exercises, such as the 5-4-3-2-1 technique, can help us reconnect with the present moment, taking our minds off our worries. Progressive muscle relaxation is another useful tool in our anxiety management toolbox. Additionally, simple relaxation techniques like a warm bath or aromatherapy can provide immediate relief from anxiety. But managing anxiety doesn't stop at symptom management. It's equally important to incorporate healthy habits into our daily routine. A good night's sleep, a balanced diet, and limiting stimulants like caffeine can significantly reduce anxiety levels. Journaling, whether it's a morning brain dump or just jotting down thoughts throughout the day, can also help us process and cope with our anxiety. And let's not forget the importance of seeking professional help when needed. Cognitive behavioral therapy can educate us on managing negative thought patterns, and medications can be beneficial in managing anxiety disorders, but they should only be taken under the supervision of a healthcare professional. In conclusion, anxiety is a part of our lives, but it doesn't define us. It's crucial to recognize its symptoms, embrace techniques to manage it, and maintain healthy habits to reduce its impact. It's a journey, and it's okay to seek help along the way. Remember, it's okay to seek help. You're not alone in this journey. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.